AstroTurf putting green put in. And the problem he's having is the wrought iron gate is like sticking on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the gate off, replace the hinges, shorten it. We're gonna shorten it about 1.5 inches. That way it opens and functions properly. See, these are bolt up. So once you get these on, you can raise the gate higher or lower. Latch. The big problem with these gravity latches is they don't always hit in the right spot. So this adjustable one, go up and down, makes a big difference. Alright guys, we're all complete. So we've got our gate, we've shortened it about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We've added a new gate spring that is adjustable now. And we added the adjustable hinges as well as an adjustable gravity latch receiver. That's it. The rest of the fence needs to be painted, but we're gonna let the customer kind of choose to do that at his own leisure. And before we leave, I'm gonna pick up this piece of trash. And here's the part that I'm most proud about. This was a 5-star review from our customer. And what he said was, after a fresh turf install, we wanted to adjust our gate so it wasn't wearing on the new turf. I called Adam at Inspired Ironworks. He immediately replied asking for what we needed. He provided a fast quote and scheduled us for the next day. Couldn't be happier with that experience. Then Adam shows up and truly set a standard for excellence. He got right to work, finished the job exactly as we discussed, walked me through the adjustable hinges and spring, and shook my hand. I'm very impressed with the professionalism, attention to detail, and fair price. I would recommend Adam to anybody who needs help. He's certainly one of the best. Man, this is what does it for us. Getting these kind of reviews, we're so grateful, and I think this is a great way to end the video. Thanks for watching.